baseball throwing action with a target. Always fun. Okay, I'm going to put my target over here. You can select whatever target you choose. Could be cones, could be a plastic cup. It's always fun to know where you are aiming towards, or a moving target if it falls. It's even funner. But here we go. So what do you need to practice your baseball throw? Well, socks. They're fun, they're safe, and they give you kind of like a round object. And a little secret tip, you can see how my socks are. They're the same color, gray. To simplify my life, I never lose a pair. So, baseball throw. Great for athletic skills that you can utilize in many sports. Football, dodgeball, baseball, softball, and even tennis. It helps with your serve, getting those mechanics in the same motion. So, it's very important, especially when you're small, that you practice your baseball throw. So, what is a baseball throw? It is something that goes in this direction. Your arm is up. A toss would be defined as it comes through your down low, and you toss it this way. So, baseball throw, you have a target. You can see that my body is facing the screen and you, okay? You can see that I have a nice athletic position when I do this. I'm going to be pointing to my target. It also counterbalances me when my right arm goes up, because that is my dominant hand, and my non-dominant hand is my left hand, so they go up together, okay? So, I'm pointing to my target, making sure my elbow is back to be able to do this, and I'm stepping with my non-dominant leg, okay? Dominant arm, non-dominant leg steps, pointing with the non-dominant hand, okay? Target. I then step, and then I throw. Oops, I missed. I need more practice. I get another sock. Ready? You can join me and do this. I point to my target. My body is facing the screen. My elbow goes all the way back. I step, and when I'm throwing, you see my hips are turning, and I chase my arm out of the way. Okay? Let's try it again. Ready? We point, elbow is back, I step, and then I chase my arm out of the way. Again. Ready? I point to my target, my elbow is back, my body is facing you, I step, and I twist. I'm going to do it real fast now. Are you ready? Body facing me, point and throw. All right, thank you for joining me with my sock throw at my target. See you later, everyone. Keep practicing.